Hi everybody, it's the end of week 3 and I just want to sort of summarize what's going on, what we've done this week. So first thing, everyone was asked to do a self-introduction back in week 1, and that entails going to a Flipgrid website that's posted in our news announcement area and introducing yourself with a webcam of some sort. Now our college has laptops that you can borrow from the library, and those would have a webcam on it. Tell them what you're planning to do and get the right kind of equipment if you don't have the equipment at home. That's worth a bonus mark if it's done by the end of this week. After this week, there's no mark for it. So the next thing is that you are working on your career planning assignment. You have until the end of next week for that. It's not due till the end of week 4. And so if I go into the assignments area, I see the career planning assessment instructions, and it'll tell you how to do the assignment. And if we come down to the weekly learning modules, we're currently in the first one and we're working through weeks 1 to 4. So you're reading all the learning in there, clicking on the links, and doing the tasks that you're being asked to do. The tasks entail going to the Career Success Guide and reading the lessons in the Career Success Guide. So there's some reading, right, to do for the first 4 weeks in this course, learning about career planning, what it is, how to do it. Then you go over to Type Focus for your assignment, and you complete a bunch of different assessments in Type Focus, and then you print a report. So when you're printing these reports, it depends on the browser. Some browsers have a print driver installed for PDF printing, and it will automatically come up when you click print to go to PDF printing. Some browsers do not have this. You see, mine has a PDF driver installed, and so I can actually print to PDF. If it doesn't say that here, then you're not printing to PDF format, and I will not be able to read your results. So you need to make sure you have a PDF driver installed. You can use the college computers. The college computer labs do have a PDF driver installed, and if you have trouble seeing it or using it, you can ask the lab technicians located at the help desk on the 3rd floor at Progress Campus to help you print to PDF through the browser. So you're not printing an HTML file, you're not printing some other type of file, OPSX, you're printing PDF. Now, if you want to install a PDF driver at home for your own computer or laptop, you simply can go out on the web and find one. Now, you want to be careful you don't pick up a virus. There's 2 PDF drivers that I have used in the past, and one's called Qt PDF Writer, and you can get a free download usually. Sometimes you can have a free trial of these things. And what you do is you install it, and then when you go to print, you'll see the print driver there. The one I'm currently using, though, is called Do PDF, and I get a free download, and I just install it, and then whenever I go to my print command, it shows up as a print driver. Okay, so I had some trouble with the Qt PDF, so just make sure you're downloading the correct version. It should say Qt PDF print driver. When you're going into print and you want to print something from the web pages, depending on the browser you're in as well, like I said, some browsers, I think Firefox has this built in. You can save as PDF sometimes, or depending on the type of printer that you choose. So I must be in some browser here that's showing it this way. But I think I'm in Chrome right now. So you can try IE, you can try Chrome, but usually you'll get to select the printer that you want to choose, and you choose the printer that, the PDF printer. So it's as easy as that, but either install it or use a college computer or a library computer, a public library computer. Ask them if they have a PDF driver installed for printing, and just print to PDF. Then you're going to come back in here, you're going to go to assessments, and you're going to go to assignments, and you're going to upload those 4 PDF files that you completed through the assessments into the Dropbox. And what I should see then as the teacher when I'm looking at this, I go in and I see the types of files that are in here, and I'll just show you because some people are still trying to get the right file type. You see here I can see PDF on the end, then I know it's a PDF file. If I see HTML, I can't open it. If I see some other file format like OXPS, I can't open it. So you need to upload a PDF so I can read it. PDF stands for Portable Document Format. Other than that, we're continuing on to finish up our career planning topic this week, and then we will move on to the next topic. So you want to do the bonus mark activity by the end of this Sunday, and the assignment by the end of the next week. So good luck everyone, and I'll talk to you soon in next week, at the beginning of next week. Thank you.